Queen G said this is a keeper. For my menu plan for the week of January 18th through the 24th, Monday, I'm making chicken risotto, but it's actually not like the risotto itself. It's actually made with rice. I will be adding towards the end of this video me cooking the dish. It's so super easy and it was really good. So make sure you guys stick around for that one. On Tuesday, I'm going to try another new recipe from Emerald's cookbook here, the ham hock and cabbage soup. I thought that just sounded really good, so I'm going to look forward into making that on Tuesday. I'm trying to keep it light in the beginning of the week with these two. And with the ham hock and cabbage soup, I'm just going to use what I have. I have some biscuit rolls, I think it is, or no, it's artesian bread in the freezer. So I just defrosted that, and I'm just going to make my own type of Parmesan butter toast. Wednesday, I got inspired by this video from the J. Lee Life, Lisa. I just love her channel. She inspired me. I'm going to make somewhat of her. I'm going to try to follow her recipe, but she made it with fresh salsa, verde salsa. Of course, I'm not going to be making mine fresh. I had to cheat, and I ordered 2 cans of the salsa, the green salsa verde. So that should be arriving in my grocery delivery on that morning. So I'm going to make some chicken verde enchiladas, and I'm going to make it with a Spanish rice brought to you by Rice-A-Roni. And I'm going to just make a quick small garden salad to go with that. And I'm sure I'm going to have some leftovers to freeze too. So this is going to be great for dinner, and then the rest will go into the freezer. Thursday, Jay is going to grill. We're going to do New York steaks. I think there is also like a steak rub or a steak sauce or something like that that was in here he might try. I'm going to try to film him so we can do another cooking with Jay. Probably do a loaded baked potato, and I have fresh green beans to go with that. That's going to be a good dinner. And then Friday is my choice for takeout, so I don't know what we're going to do. And then Saturday, I'm going to stick with the classics. My all-time favorite, my mom's meatloaf. I'm going to have some type of veggies, whatever I have in the pantry. Then I'm just going to make some fresh garlic mashed potatoes. And Sunday is going to be penne with mushroom, Italian turkey sausage, and broccoli. All right, so I'm already ahead of the game for all of this. There is nothing that I need to buy at the grocery store because I already ordered it online. My delivery came in this morning, and I have another one dropping off my delivery on Wednesday morning so I can make the enchiladas for that. So guess what? We are done. So stick around. I'm going to show you the chicken risotto recipe. This recipe is super easy. All you're going to need is about 4 boneless, skinless chicken. Cut that about in 3/4 inch pieces. And then you just need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and 1/3 cup of dry white wine. Cook your chicken on medium-high heat in a large skillet for about 2 to 4 minutes or so. Add your 1/2 cup of your chicken broth and 1/3 cup of your white wine, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and add a 9-ounce package of frozen mixed vegetables. Now I have some left over from making tacos, so this is what I used. I just used whatever I had. And then just reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. I did probably about 8 minutes. And then add 1 cup of instant uncooked white rice. And then also use some green onions, which I grabbed from our garden. Carefully stir in your rice along with your green onions. And then remove from heat, it tells you. But I let mine just stay in the pan for about 10 minutes on a very, very low heat. Add your 2 to 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Now that's what gives the flavor. Oh my goodness. This recipe is like super easy. Queen G said this is a keeper. With the pepper and the Parmesan cheese, it just really made the dish. It was really good. Like she said, it was nothing fancy, but it's a keeper. Yum. Parmesan cheese on top. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done already, and click this card here for more videos such as this one. Thanks for watching.